Yo, YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro games. Man, this your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, coming back at you in the shoebox. Oh, everybody enjoying their day today. You know the routine by now, right? Well, if you don't, go ahead and do me and Maddie a favor both. Hit that like button, tell a friend to tell a friend. That means share this video. As well as, you want to become a part of this movement? Go ahead and subscribe. You never know. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heated content. Sheesh. Had to do it to you, gang. Retro family, let's go. Another unboxing. This one an early look. Y'all tell me what y'all think. You gonna go for this pair? You gonna stay away from it? Let me know. Just say go or stay away. Leave them comments below. Thanks. Let's go. Hop right into it. See what's going on. 10.5. Nike SB Dunk Low. Come on, bro. You see what's going on. Retail $90. Not too bad. Price point. I know resale is going to be out the roof. So let's hop right into this. Check your local skate shops, by the way. Oh, let me do that. You got the Nike SB box. Y'all forgive me. Nike SB box. The blue box. Y'all want to see the box? I like the boxes sometimes. This is the shoe box, right? We are in the shoe box. Let's go. Sheesh. Here we go. You got that nod to that Safari theme, the whole pattern. You got the Nike SB Dunks with the collab on the back. Got the green check. Got that. This is like the mesh or nylon, like some mesh nylon material. And of course, I call this the leopard print. Y'all let me know as well. This is the leopard print to me, not zebras. People be putting up the animals with the zebra. This is not a zebra. This is a leopard print to me. Orange represents the cheetah. You got the orange check here in suede and nubuck material. You got this nice suede here and behind the check where the blocking goes. Of course, you got the black check right here, Nike right at the toe box. Coming up to the toe box, some more. I like that nylon mesh. So they kind of switched it up. It's coming all the way up to the tongue. Now, of course, on the tongue, you got the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Make sure that's coming up real good. Set the inside. I'm liking how they doing with the tongue. It kind of remind me of the what's up, Florida? Y'all know what I'm gonna say, man. This remind me of the Rattlers, man, Florida. Let's get into it. Let's pull out the tissue paper. This is what they give you. Let's see here. Let's see. Y'all know how I get. Now let's go on, pull it on out. Get detail as possible. You got the Nike SB Zoom Air. The cushion right here. You got 10.5 to 11.5. Inside as well, you got that like that nylon mesh in the inside. I like the shoe. Of course, green is my favorite color, but orange is my secondary color, and the way they mash this in, even when you come back around to this Nike check, you got that pine, like it ain't a pine green, it's like a forest green. That suede nubuck. And on the bottom, you got that peanut butter bottom, of course. And right up in here, you got the Nike SB stamp with the green blocking behind it. Let's pull out the other one. Let's see, we got extra laces. No lace bag, but we do have extra laces. They give you that orange feel. Got the green check again, once again. I think it's a dope shoe. Like I said, y'all leave a comment. You gonna go for it or you gonna leave it alone? Just wanted to bring y'all this early review. This pair don't come out till March the 12th. Of course, you got them rope laces, man. You know how your boy feel about the rope laces. Let's go. Like I said, y'all check y'all local skate shops. I don't see it on the Nike app yet. I don't know if they're gonna put it on the Nike app. I don't know if they're gonna do them at the Travis Scott's. Just check your local, check SB.com, check your local skate shops, call around, pull up, apply pressure. You know what your boy do. They come out March the 14th. That's pretty much it. Oh, hold on, real quick. I wanted to do something. I had an old pair. These came out last year, the year before last. Just want to do a quick comparison of this. Actually, the Air Safari that Nike came out with. They brought this pair back out, I think, year before last. Just want to compare these real quick to y'all. Let y'all know how they get their inspiration and vice versa. Yeah, I still think that's leopard. Got nothing to do with no zebra. And then the inside of this shoe, you got leather. And the inside of this one, you got that mesh nylon. So kind of the same color scheme going on. But back to the SB. Here to do that real quick. You know what your boy say around here, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Look, everybody enjoy their day. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heated content. We got some more early looks on the way. Y'all go here and sub up, subscribe. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. Yo, Retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah, cause he get them kicks in advance. Yeah. Stockpile them up straight to the box. Woo. You can't find them, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If he scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the channel, it's full of content. Matty kicks with sit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam. Double strong, mighty they stand. Like he launched in the 80, the man. Pull up in the old school. Better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoes. Give it back to the peeps. That brother paying his dues. Getting blessed by the best. So how could he lose? Drip gang, follow the drip. Retro gang, and Matty kicks. Keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, follow the drip. Retro gang, and Matty